Welcome to Invest Northern Ireland's COVID-19 response webinar series.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rodney McMullen from Invest Northern Ireland, and I would like to welcome you all to our COVID-19 response webinar. Today's webinar is part of our Practical Export Skills series, and the topic is how to generate leads on LinkedIn. Our presenter again in this series is Declan Murtaugh from Brilliant Red, and after the presentation there will be a Q&A session with Declan. So thank you to everyone who has already submitted a question. If you have a specific question now, or one that comes up during our presentation, please use the Questions tab on your webinar control panel to send it to us. We are also recording this webinar and it will be available on the investni.com website. We will email you the details when it is online. So I'd just like to welcome our presenter, Declan Murtaugh from Brilliant Red.
Thank you very much, Rodney, and again thanks to the team at InvestNI for helping devise these social media series of workshops. As Rodney has said, my name is Declan Murtaugh and I'm a digital consultant with Brilliant Red. Today's webinar is going to last around 30 to 40 minutes of me delivering it, and then there'll be an opportunity to put some questions at the end. So anything at all around LinkedIn, I'm happy to answer it, and we'll try and keep it as relevant and as interesting as possible throughout the next 30 to 40 minutes. It is the fifth webinar in this series, and it focuses solely on LinkedIn. The title is How to Generate Leads on LinkedIn, and it's the first webinar that we've actually made specific to a certain social media channel. And I think it was important to design this webinar exclusively around LinkedIn. I suppose LinkedIn is or can be seen as a bit of an outlier. It has most of the same features as any of the other social media platforms, but it's very different in the fact that it's a professional network, and most marketers have found LinkedIn to be the perfect platform for delivering professional B2B or business to business content. It's by far the most important social media network to reach out to businesses and connect with professionals in general. And that makes it one of the major platforms for B2B social media and B2B marketing in general. And what LinkedIn does, it allows you to build relationships and establish this notion of thought leadership and conduct market research or gain insights and improve your reputation and among online communities and so on. So what it also does is helps you generate leads, which is what we're going to talk about today. So we're going to look at sort of the LinkedIn basics and getting those right. We're going to look at how to build connections and grow your audience. And we're going to look at specifically how to generate those leads. And first of all, it's important to know why people use LinkedIn. And the majority of people use LinkedIn to stay in touch with work colleagues, old university friends, to follow experts in their industry, to try and sell their products or services, to find new jobs, or to actually hire people. So those are the main reasons why people use LinkedIn.